everyone, thanks for stopping in. I got some fun mail from one of my absolute favorite baby product companies, Solely Baby, and I figured I'd jump on here and do a quick unboxing, review, and tutorial for you on how to wear your baby wrap carrier. Now, Solely Baby has the softest carriers ever, so I'm really excited to have this. And they recently came out with a loop carrier that actually makes it a lot easier to wear your baby. I'm going to put a link down in the description to their shop if you want to go on and check out all of the cute fabric designs they have. And let's just hop right into it and see what I've got in here. So the packaging is already really cute. It looks like they have a card on here that has a QR code that you can scan with your phone. And you can get quick access to tutorial videos and things on how to wear your baby wrap, which is super helpful. So cute. Oh. So of course I had to get the leopard print. I mean, why wouldn't I? This is packaged so nicely. Let's see if I can get this open. I'm obsessed. And oh my gosh, like I wish you could feel this fabric right now through your video, and it is like the softest fabric you'll ever feel in your life. And it looks like this could be like a little pouch at the end of it that you can kind of tuck the whole thing in, which is really cool. But if you've never seen a baby carrier before, a wrap carrier, it's basically one long piece of fabric. Like it just goes on and on and on. But they're super simple to put on and they're extremely secure. And I actually prefer the wraps to the structured carriers like, you know, Baby Bjorn or all of those that you see online, just because you can fully customize this to be what you need for your body, for your baby, depending on the size of your baby and everything. Now, baby wrap carriers, this one is suited for babies 8 to 25 pounds. So you can even wrap your newborn in this, and they're just fantastic. So let me go in and show you how to wear it. Okay, so this is going to be the basic way to put on your wrap carrier, and I've got my little baby friend here to help me. Now you can practice this even, you know, while you're pregnant or before you have your baby. You can use a baby doll if you have one, a stuffed animal, a pillow, whatever you need to use. So the first thing you're going to do is find the middle of the wrap, which is usually signified by a tag, and you're going to place that right across your chest, just like this. And you're going to hold it with one hand, and you're going to kind of hold this top edge, give yourself a little bit of slack, because you're going to go under your arm and over the opposite shoulder. And then you're just going to do the same thing with the other side. Hold this with your other hand, hold the edge out, give yourself a little bit of slack. You're going to go under your arm and over the opposite shoulder. Now with everything, this takes practice. So practice as much as you can. Now with a newborn, you're going to want it pretty snug. So we're going to kind of pull it a little bit tight, just like that. You're going to grab both of these and shove it through the main loop that we started. And then we're going to cross them. So we want to make sure that we have this as straight as possible. See how it's really flat across my back? Just because that's going to give you the best weight distribution and be the most comfortable for you especially. So we're going to cross these now. And keep in mind, wherever this cross is, wherever these meet, is where the baby's bottom is going to be. So you don't want baby's bottom to be too high or too low. You can kind of test it out by holding your baby. You basically want the top of your baby's head to be kissable. So I need the bottom to be about right here. So I'm gonna make sure that I have those crossing right at that spot. Again, keeping this fabric very straight. You're gonna wrap it around your back, and now you can tie it back here, but if you have excess like I do, since these wraps are really big and I'm wearing this pretty tight since I've got a really teeny baby, I'm gonna bring it back around to the front and I can tie it here. If you have a C-section scar that is still healing and it's kind of painful, you can always tie it off to one side or the other so that the knot isn't sitting directly on your C-section scar. So I'm just gonna double knot this, just like that. And I'm going to get my baby now. Hello, baby. So we're gonna go in on one side, my necklace, and you're gonna guide the leg through and kind of flatten it out across their bottom. Same thing with the other side. You're gonna go under the wrap, grab the leg, and guide it through, and then flatten it across their bottom, just like that. You wanna make sure that they're in kind of that W seat, like this. Their knees are up, they're in the frog position, their legs are kind of spread on either side. And here's the point where you can kind of straighten this out if it's not comfortable or anything like that. And then we're gonna go through and we're gonna grab that beginning loop that we had with the tag, remember? And we're gonna raise it over their feet and then spread it out all the way up to their shoulders, to the nape of their neck. If your baby is really tiny, their feet may be covered by it, but as they get bigger, their feet will obviously hang out. And that is it, you guys. See how easy that was? It seems so daunting when you see these wrap configurations on women and men, but really, that's it. You've got your baby, he's secure, and you've got your hands free to do whatever you need to do. I'm in love with this leopard fabric. I can't get over it. So good. So there you have it. Be sure to go check out Soli Baby at the link below. And I have this wrap and many other baby and postpartum products that I absolutely love that are available on my free pregnancy planning mini guide that you can get from my website that I've also linked below. If you liked this video and want more of this content, be sure to like and subscribe below. And if you have any other info or topics that you're wanting covered or suggestions for videos, be sure to leave me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.